New Public Administration Behavioral Modifications. Sociometric Theory. The proponents of this theory, sociometric theory, are Helen Jennings and Jacob Moreno. It provides relatively objective and easily accessible means of assessing interpersonal attitudes within a group. It suggests that leadership requirements and qualities vary in different groups according to internal structure of an organization, its goals and tasks. Next, we will take a look at what is Saptang theory by Kautilya. Saptang theory by Kautilya represents the basic and working constituents of a kingdom. He was aware of the principles of interdependence of various elements of the state, which he expressed as sovereignty that is possible only with assistance. He cautioned that if all the elements of the state, the state was compared to spokes of a wheel, should work in an efficient manner, if it doesn't, it would otherwise end up in destroying each other. That means the spokes of the wheel will be made weak, which would ultimately end up destroying the wheel. So according to him, the constituting elements of a state or the organs of a state are 1. The king, 2. The amartya or minister, 3. Janpada or the territory, 4. Durga or fortified capital, 5. The treasury, and 6. The mitras or allies. If each of them is not maintained well, they tend to work against each other, weakening the kingdom and the state to which they belong to. Next, we'll take a look at behavioral modifications. Behavioral modifications describes technique to control individual behavior by applying the principle of operant conditioning. Behavior conditioning, along with law of effect, forms the basis of reinforcement theory or operant theory of modification. To change human behavior, behavior modifications use reinforcement theory. A bad behavior like coming late to office can be reinforced, which is positive reinforcement, by proper acknowledgement of timely arrival by the manager. Likewise, jokesters in a meeting can be silenced by deliberately ignoring their advances in meetings by the manager. Behavior modifications may be positive reinforcement, where desirable behavior is encouraged by manager. Avoidance learning, where employees change their behavior to avoid an unpleasant consequence. Extinction or absence of reinforcement and punishments, which is negative consequence like reduced pay or layoff. Hamner has developed a 6-rule formula for using behavior modifications, and these are: do not reward all employees equally. Point out mistakes made by employee. Do not punish employee in front of others. Be fair to all concerned. Be knowledgeable about punishment, that punishment improves human behavior. And lastly, tell employee where they can get reinforcement. So this sums up behavioral modifications. Thank you.